Let's look at our snapping tools. If we hop into edit mode, actually let's not. Let's just add. Let's add a cone. So let's move it up. Scale it in. So I'm gonna apply the rotation and scale. So Control A, apply rotation and scale. You can also, for object, come up here to apply rotation and scale. Now I want to snap this to this face. So I can actually turn on snapping here and say, let's just look at face project. And there's a lot of settings here, but I'm just going to leave it at its default. And I'm going to hit G and just move it. Now it's not taking any of the normal information, but it is snapping it to the face, right? So I want it to snap to that face but align to it. So let's see what I can do. I can say snap with closest. I can align rotation to target. And we're gonna, well, let's not do any of this yet. Let's just go ahead and move it. So looks like it's trying, right? All in all, it's not terrible. We can also snap this to points. So let's go to vertex and hit G, and we can just navigate to those points. Now let's just say we wanted to move it in line with one of these points. So I'm going to say let's move this forward, right? And I say G on the Z. So it's found that point, align the rotation, right? So I can also say, hey, I don't want you to align with rotation. So G and then Z, right? G and then Z. We can do that with edge as well. And you'll notice the cursor kind of snaps to it. We have increment, and you can, like when you have it set, you can adjust it to your grid snap. Let's see, face nearest, and if you mouse over these, like it'll tell you snap to the nearest point on the faces. Volume is going to try and just keep to the outside of the volume. You can say edge center or edge perpendicular. And then you have a couple of other options, and you can adjust this to rotate and scale. Right? Let's play around with it, get comfortable with what they do, because from time to time you'll need some of these options. I'm going to turn it off.